आप रिकॉर्ड कर लो, आपके पास रिकॉर्ड का ऑप्शन होगा, आप रिकॉर्ड कर लो। अब मैं भी यहाँ पर रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, सो आई विल सेंड इट। Then in this session we have to cover identify the characteristics of Java programming language, declare the class member. Okay, so the two things we have to discuss, array that we have to discuss in another chapter. So Java is a object orientation programming language that was designed to meet the need for a platform independent language. जिसका जो प्रॉब्लम होगा और कोई डाउट होगा आप डायरेक्टली खुद ऑनम्यूट करके मुझे पूछ सकते हो, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम। So Java is a OOP language that was designed to meet the need for a platform independent language. Platform independent language means you can run your application in the different operating system, whether it is Windows, whether it is Linux. Okay, so different operating system you can run your application. Java is used to create a application that can run on a single computer as well as the distributed network. By using Java application, you can create a application for a single system. Just like an example of Microsoft Word software. The Word software that you are installed in your machine or laptop, it is only applicable for your system only. Some kind of software is present we are using in a company. Okay, so the company software is there. Suppose you are working in a like Finacle software. The Finacle software is used in a banking sector. So that software is only used for opening the account, managing the RD account. So it is applicable for the banking system. Some other applications are present which are used throughout the globe. Matlab whole worldwide they are using your application. It's just like example of Facebook, your Gmail. So it is a worldwide web application. With the increasing use of internet, Java has become widely used programming language. So everywhere the Java language is used. Your Java language is used for creating a desktop application, for a create intranet application which is used in an organization, or you can create a web application, means everywhere it is accessed. Java software works everywhere, from the smallest devices such as microwave ovens, remote control to supercomputer. In a normal calculator, the software that we're using, so that is also a Java. Anil, you are not. Anil, use your speaker. Anil, use your speaker, or you directly call me. Anil, call me 70085.
Sir, can you please show the previous slide, sir? Can you please show the previous slide?
Anil, you are speaking now, no?
Sir, can you please show the previous slide, sir?
Oh, Rakesh, okay.
Previous page.
This one?
Before that, sir. Yes. And this sir. I am taking a screenshot, sir. Next, sir. Next.
You can take a screenshot. No problem in that. You can take the screenshot.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Next, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. ये हो गया सर, यस सर, ये बोलो।
The Java software works everywhere in the smallest device such as microwave ovens, remote control to the supercomputer. The Java program work on any type of compatible device that supports Java. Okay. Um, like it is used in your remote control. It is used in the where your vehicle speedometer. It is used. So that is a Java means that software is used everywhere. Got it? Means it is a compatible device which is a portable. It is a portable software. Portable means it will be used in every devices. Here, Anil, you can call me so that you able to listen my voice. अनिल आप आपका स्पीकर ऑन नहीं किए हो तो इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है। तो आप एक काम करो, आप कॉलिंग मोड में ऑन रखो, मेरा वॉइस सुनो, उसके बाद आपको मैं गाइड कर दूंगा आपका द सेशन। ओके, आप स्पीकर में ऑन रखो, मेरा बात आप सुन सकते हो। समझ में आया? अनिल आप मेरे साथ एक स्पीकर में फोन से सुनो। आप जो आपका स्पीकर ऑन नहीं कर पा रहे हो इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है। Okay. The primary motive behind developing Java was the need for a portable and platform independent language that could be used to produce the code that would run on a variety of systems. The primary motive for designing Java was need for a portable platform. Portable means everywhere you can use, means in any devices you can run the Java application. The few type of Java applications where the Java application is used. The Java application is used in character user interface, graphic user interface, applet, servlet, and packages. So what is the character user interface? So character user interface is just like if I open the command prompt. You see that here I open the command prompt. Suppose if I move to D drive, so D colon enter. So I am moving to the D drive easily. So normally by sending the command, we can move one drive or one folder. So that is called as a what? CUI application, character user interface. Graphic user interface is what? The total screen that now it is display. Like you can work through.
Once again, sir, once again.
This one, CUI.
एक बार फिर से बोलो सर।
CUI means it is a character user interface, and where you can work with the application through the command by using your command.
Yes sir, CUI sir.
and GUI means it is a graphic user interface. Graphic user interface means where your mouse is working, your keyboard is working. Okay, so every means it can work through the keyboard and mouse. GUI application only you are working through the keyboard. Means for moving to any drive, you can use commands. But in the GUI application, there is no requirement of any command. Any user can use it. Next is applets. Applet is a Java programming language which is used to create a graphic user interface application. Basically, applet is used uh, earlier part before the string AWT component has come. Applet that we are using. The applet is a Java programming language which is written in the Java, but for running the application, we require the browser. So through the browser it works. Then what is servlet? Servlet is a Java technology class which is used to develop web application in the Java. For developing web application in the Java servlet is used.
Sir, why applet is used?
Applet is used for designing GUI application. So earlier we were using GUI application, graphic user interface application, so that this applet is used. But now we are using swing and AWT package. But जब आप applet यूज करते थे पहले उसको जावा में लिखा जाता था, लेकिन उसको यूज करने के लिए और रन करने के लिए एक ब्राउजर का जरूरत था. लेकिन अभी क्या हुआ, we have the separate website development application that is called the Java servlet. By using of Java servlet, you can develop the Java web-based application. So Java servlet is a Java technology class which is used to develop the Java web application. Then next is packages. So why packages is used? Packages is used to break your program into a smaller part. To breaking your program into a smaller part, package is used. So it is not possible for a single person. They have to create whole application. Suppose आपको बैंकिंग के लिए एक एप्लीकेशन में डिजाइन करने के लिए दूंगा, तो एक आदमी उसको डिजाइन नहीं कर पाएगा. ओके, तो उसके लिए आपको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए मॉड्यूल. तो ये डिवाइड करने के बाद आप इंडिपेंडेंटली इसको डेवलप करोगे. इंडिपेंडेंटली डेवलप होने के बाद फिर आप मेन मॉड्यूल में इसको गैदर कर सकते हो. तो दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ पैकेजेस. पैकेजेस में हेल्प क्या है, अगर आप एक बार एक कोडिंग लिख देते हो, सो आफ्टर राइटिंग द कोड, व्हेन देयर इज ए रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द सेम कोड, देन यू कैन नॉट राइट द कोड अगेन एंड अगेन. सिर्फ पैकेज में कॉल करके आपको यूज करना है. मतलब कोडिंग लिखकर एक जगह पर आप स्टोर कर दो, उसके बाद आपका जब भी जरूरत होगा वही पैकेज को कॉल कर लो. तो आपका कोड रीयूजेबिलिटी पैकेज के मदद से हो सकता है. क्लियर? Java is a platform independent language that enable you to compile an application on one platform and execute in any platform. So you are writing the program in a window platform and you can use that application in Linux or any other application. So it is a platform independent language. Okay, तो एक प्लेटफॉर्म में आप क्रिएट कर सकते हो, डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म में आप रन कर सकते हो. So you can create an application in the window and you can use in like Ubuntu, Linux operating system, anywhere you can use it. Clear? Take the snap of this slide, this note. Now, history of Java. In 1991, the Sun microsystem. Sun microsystem is what? So it is a simple developing company. This developing company, it is they have assigned a project for a health system. So at that timing, this team is headed by James Gosling. So James Gosling and team, they designed that software and they're trying to install that software in a devices. Okay, so when they're trying to install the same software in a devices, it is not compatible. So it is not possible for the manufacturer to change the device. तो मैन्युफैक्चरर क्या है, कस्टमर डेवलपर टीम को दिया कि मेरे लिए एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाओ, मैंने सॉफ्टवेयर बना दिया. उसके बाद मैंने क्या किया ना, सॉफ्टवेयर बनाकर जब भी डेवलप जो कस्टमर को दे रहा हूं, वो बोल रहा है कि मेरा यहाँ पर इंस्टॉल नहीं हो रहा है. तो इसका क्या किसका प्रॉब्लम है? डेवलपर टीम का प्रॉब्लम है. सो द डेवलपर टीम इज थिंकिंग फॉर दैट दिस प्रोग्राम is not compatible with the particular devices. So that the developer team is thinking for that they have to develop another programming language which is fitted with in any devices. But James Gosling and team, they have developed another programming language and give its name as Oak. Oak is a tree in USA which gives coffee. The entire developer team, they sat in a cafeteria and they developed this programming language. They think for that good quality of coffee, they able to develop this particular programming language. So they give its name as Oak. Later, it renamed to the Java. Okay. Take a snap of this slide. Okay. Those who are attend, give me a message in my number. I will share this slide also. Those are not able to take the snap. Send me your mail ID in my number. It is a complete history of Java. In 1990, Sun Microsystem developed a software manipulate electronic device. In 1991, a new language named Oak was introduced using most popular object-oriented language C++. In 1993, World Wide Web appeared on the internet that transformed the text-based internet to the graphical internet. Okay, so in 1993, the graphical internet has come. Graphical internet means that you are working with the pictures, you are working with the video. Before 1993, only textual information is available in the internet. In 1994, the Sun Microsystem team developed a web browser called as Hot Java. So Hot Java is a web browser which is used to run the application in a web. जावा का वेबसाइट आने से पहले और जो जावा का नया नया जब अपलेट लॉन्च हुआ, तो अपलेट प्रोग्राम को रन करने के लिए 1994 में एक हॉट जावा एक ब्राउजर रन हुआ. In 1995, Oak was renamed as Java. Then in 1996, Java was established as an object-oriented language. So formally, in 1996, Java has launched. So now it is coming to the market with the version of 1.0. Now we are using 8.0 till 5.0. Java all version is abandoned version, means it is not used. You cannot get any kind of software later of 8.0 version. Okay, so it is an abandoned version. From 5.0 to onwards, that the version where now it is working. Then Java exhibits the following characteristics. It is simple, object-oriented, compiled and interpreted, portable, distributed, and secure. So why it is simple? A Java programmer doesn't need to know the internal function of Java, such as how the memory is allocated to the data. Memory allocation and deallocation is happening in the Java automatically. Means constructor and destructor concept is automatically used. Object oriented. Java support the object orientation approach. Then compiled and interpreted. The Java program is first compiled then interpreted. Interpreter work is what? It is compile the code in a line by line basis. If you have any kind of problem in, suppose you are having 100 line, suppose you are having a problem in 10th line, it shows it stop you over there. But then why compiler is used? Why both compiler and interpreter is used? Suppose you are having a 10,000 of line, you are executing and you have an error in 9,999 line. So when you are using interpreter, then again your execution starts from the beginning. So it is time consuming. So that Java is used compiler. When it is used compiler, suppose you are having the error in the 9,999 line, it will compile from that line. It is not taking you from the beginning. So that the compiler and interpreter is used. Java program is first compiled. It is compiled to the bytecode. Then bytecode to machine code it is converted. Portable. It refers to the ability of a program to run on any platform without changing the source code of a program. When you are writing a C++ program, you are using different ID. So when you are using different ID, then ID to ID basis, you have to write the extra lines of code using namespace std. Some of ID it is required, but Java is not required any kind of extra lines of code. आप किसी भी आईडी में आप प्रोग्राम को लिखिए, आपको कोई एक्स्ट्रा लाइन लिखना नहीं पड़ेगा. सेम कोड इज रिटेन इन एवरी प्लेटफॉर्म. So that is a portable. That is a structure. First, your Java application is stored with the extension of .java. Then by using of Java compiler, then it is converted to the .class file. .class file is nothing but it is a bytecode format, 0 and 1 format. Then JVM, by using of JVM, you can convert your bytecode to different machine code, Windows, Unix, Macintosh. So in every format you can convert. So that is the structure how the Java application is run. Distributed. Java is designed for the distributed environment for the internet because it supports the various internet protocol. So by using of Java, you can create a application for a single system or for internet based application. TCP work is what? When you are giving a request to the server, TCP put all your requests into a small packet. Every packet contains the sender address and receiver address. Who is giving a request and who is receiving the request, and what are the requests you are giving, that response you are getting or not. So that is the work of TCP. IP contains the address where your request is originated and who is receiving your request. So that is called as the TCP and IP work. Secure. Java has built-in security feature that verify that the program do not perform any destructive tasks such as accessing the file on the remote system. मतलब मैं आपका फाइल कोई भी आपका सिस्टम से रिमोट ले रहा हूं, तो आपका सिस्टम में मैं कोई मॉडिफिकेशन नहीं कर सकता हूं जब तक आप परमिशन नहीं देते हो. तो व्हेन यू टेक एनी सिस्टम इन रिमोटली, सपोज आप टीम व्यूअर इंस्टॉल करो आपका मोबाइल में और मुझे आईडी पासवर्ड दोगे, मैं आपका स्क्रीन सिर्फ देख सकता हूं. आई कैन नॉट स्क्रॉल इट डाउन. मैं कुछ भी चेंजेस नहीं कर पाऊंगा because your Android system is completely written in the Android, which is backend by the Java and Linux operating system. Linux is completely written in the Java, so it is higher security is present. But in the Windows platform, you can do it. I think so when your link is over, अभी आपका ये link खत्म हो जाएगा, उसके बाद आप same link में दोबारा join करना. Okay, so after 3 minutes the session will over, but in the same link again you connect. Okay, I will take another 15-minute session. Okay, same link में फिर से join करना if it is over. 3 minutes remaining, तो 3 minutes के बाद फिर से join करना. The various components of Java architecture are: one is Java programming language and class file, JVM, Java application programming interface. So these are the three different architecture is present. Java programming language and class file. So Java is stored with the extension of .java file. Then JVM, Java virtual machine, which is a engine of Java, which convert what your source code to the machine code, which is a class file, which is called as the byte code. Then JVM, for implementing that thing, JVM needs to be implemented in all the operating system. So what is a JVM? JVM form the base for all the Java platform, and it is convenient to use various hardware-based platform. So JVM is your platform independent. So what the JVM contain? It contains the class loader. So Java is only loading the class which is required at runtime. It contains a execution engine. Another is just-in-time compiler. Class loader is what? If you write stdio, then your printf and scanf is automatically loaded. But if you want to display a single line, there is no requirement of scanf. But as you are writing stdio, then scanf is automatically loaded. Suppose for display text, you writing a program in C and Java, if it is 5 KB in both sides, but in the Java, if you compile, after compilation, it is a 7 KB in the C program, same thing you have to display, it is a 10 KB. It is much more higher than that. Because C program is loaded unnecessary classes which is not required for your execution. Just-in-time compiler is used for converting your byte code to the machine code. So that is a just-in-time compiler. So after this minute, I will cover this Java API. Then if you have any kind of doubt in the rest time, you have to clear me. If this session is over, then you have to connect with the same link. I will cover this part, then I will clear all your doubt one by one. Okay, so don't leave. After this timing is over, again you have to click that link and join. So Java API is a collection of software components that provide the capability such as GUI. The related class and interface of Java API are grouped into the packages. For designing